Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Google Nest Protect smoke alarm history and alerts, complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your Google Nest Protect smoke alarm history and alerts, start by opening the Nest app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the account associated with your Nest Protect. Navigate to the Nest Protect section within the app. Select your specific Nest Protect device from the list. Tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner to access device settings. Scroll down to locate the history option. In the history section, you will see a summary of smoke and CO alerts. To export this data, look for an option labeled Export History if available. If the export feature is not present, note down the significant alerts manually. You can create a document on your device to record this information. Include the dates, times, and types of alerts you've experienced. Next, return to the main menu of the Nest app. Select the Alerts section to view any alerts related to your device. Make note of any critical alerts that may not be included in the History section. Consider taking screenshots of these alerts for your records. Once you have documented all necessary information, back up this document to a cloud service. This ensures you have access to your alerts and history if you switch devices or accounts. Periodically reviewing and backing up your Nest Protect data can enhance your safety readiness. For further assistance, consult the Google Nest Help Center for detailed guides and updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.